Katie. So this week's theme is nature, and instead of doing a skit, I will be doing a tutorial on how to make a nature-themed picture frame. It's kind of simple, but it seems it's gonna be fun to do, so why not? Woo! It's also fall-themed, so that'll be super fun. And I will see you guys in a bit. Woo! Alright, so for this tutorial, oh, and I found a really cool hat. You will need 4 popsicle sticks, or whatever you want. You can use these tongue lozenges or throat lozenges, whatever you call them. A hot glue thingy. Make sure you have your parents' permission, or do it with parents with you, because that's really hot and painful. And some cardboard. Okay? And also, you might need some leaves or grass, or probably leaves would be better, because those are more. Alright, so one of the pieces of cardboard is to put all your stuff on so you don't get anything damaged. And you can use as many of these as you want, depending on the size you'd like. I'm going to do it like this. Kind of like that design. And here's the hot glue. Oh, it's already dripping. Yay. So first you got to kind of glue them together. Remember, be careful with this thing. It really burns if you get it on you.
Alright, so we're going to start gluing the leaves on. There's several ways you can do it. You can face the leaves outward, you can face them inward. I'm going to have them kind of like, I'll show you in a sec, so I think I'm just going to kind of glue the frame and put them on, because that way I can not guarantee exactly what spots are getting glued. And make sure you have the nicest side of the leaf up. And make sure you don't get perfect leaves only, because then it kind of looks fake. Like, I mean, this looks real. Fabulous. And see, and you can do that all the way around and it'll look really nice and cute.
Alright, and try to make as little of the frame show as possible. And I don't like this leaf on here. It's the wrong shape for where it's at. part is you're gonna cut your cardboard so that it matches the back of your frame. This way you can have a back to your picture. This is definitely needed. Tracing it would definitely be easier. Or you can do what I'm doing and slowly cutting it down to the right size. Alright, see, so it's about the right size. And just glue it onto the back very carefully. You could put your picture on before, but I'm just going to put it on afterwards, so it's a lot easier. So, and then you just kind of slip your photo in like this. Kind of slip it in under the leaves, and it should stay. Alright, so that's my tutorial for how to make a leaf photo holder thing. I forgot what they're, picture frame, yeah. Alright, so I will see you guys next week. Bye!